One question people often ask us is, what R value should I install in my ceiling? The answer comes down to your budget and how much energy you want to save. The R value measures the resistance to heat flow. So the higher the R value, the better it is at keeping the heat out in summer and the warmth in winter. As 35% of heat gain and loss is through the ceiling, it's the most critical part of the home to insulate. We recommend installing a minimum of R 4.0 in your ceiling, regardless of your geographic location. Home insulation has a payback period of 3 to 5 years, which makes it a great investment. In Melbourne, Sydney or Adelaide, we recommend upgrading to the highest R value that you can afford. If you live in Brisbane, Perth and northern New South Wales, you will still benefit from upgrading to a higher R value, but the payback period will be slightly longer. Saved energy is the most sustainable energy there is. A properly insulated home will have a smaller carbon footprint, is more comfortable to live in, and will save you more money.